Again, today is Friday, our most favorite day. We're having kebab. That's my mom. Look at her. So cute. That's my dad. And we're making kebab. Look at her. Dad's gonna always loves Red Bull. Always loves Red Bull. Loves it.
Actually, energetic.
I know you love this. I don't know why. And salute.
Yes.
Cheers. I know. Cheers that.
Delicious.
I know. You always love this. I don't know why. It gives you so much energy. Alright, Dad. Love you, Dad. I'll see you soon. Alright, love you. Now, adding the
Salt.
adding salt, onion, as you can see.
Onion. One.
Not so much. Just 2 spoons,
And
3 spoons, and 3.5. Alright. Beautiful. And it's gonna massage this until it gets really sticky and delicious. Great job, Dad. Okay, so now we are putting up the skewers. Look at that. Look. Look how professional this part is. Nice. Oh, look at the beauty of this. Oh, this is fresh garlic. This is my aunt. They're here for gobble, gobble, gobble. Fresh garlic. Nice, Dad. Great job.
Beautiful.
Nice. Now, my dad and I, we're cooking the kebab. Look at that smoke. Full of energy through Red Bull. And now, have all the energy he needs. Let's cook the kebab. Beautiful. Nice.
Delicious.
I know. You love it. You've been drinking it for years.
Very delicious.
I told myself, since my dad's drinking it for years, why not document it at least? Let the company appreciate that an educated, well-experienced doctor drinks such an energy drink and never bothered him, never had any complaints. It's coffee, you know? He likes it. Instead of drinking a bitterness of the coffee, he enjoys this, gets his caffeine through it, and gets his job done 6 days a week. All right.